Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from downturns with Oppenheimer, full guide step by step clearly. To recover from downturns with Oppenheimer, begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including account statements, investment portfolios, and cash flow reports. Identify key areas of decline in your investments. Analyze the reasons behind the downturn to understand market trends or company-specific issues. Consult with a financial advisor at Oppenheimer to gain expert insights tailored to your portfolio. Review your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with both your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risks and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Revisit your asset allocation, adjusting it based on market conditions and your recovery timeline. Stay informed about market developments and economic indicators that could impact your investments. Develop a contingency plan that includes steps to take if the downturn persists or worsens. Implement your revised strategy gradually, avoiding panic-driven decisions. Maintain clear communication with your advisor to monitor progress and make necessary adjustments. Evaluate your emotional responses to market fluctuations and develop strategies to manage stress. Seek additional resources or educational tools provided by Oppenheimer to enhance your understanding of market recovery. Remain patient and disciplined, remembering that recovery often takes time. Regularly review your performance and be prepared to adapt as market conditions evolve. By following these steps, you can if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.